All through the night a storm had been raging, and now just before dawn, as the earth trembled with thunder and lightning, winds blew as they have never blown. A soldier so troubled sit there in silence, never had he known such a cold. Then the dark clouds moved away and unveiled a new day. Relieved he watched as the sun rose. Oh, the sun rose, what a beautiful scene. The earth was smiling, night was all gone like a bad dream. Oh, the sun rose, darkness had fled away. Just as before, night was no more as the sun rose that day. At a quiet tombsite not far from Golgotha, the night wept because of the loss. For 2 days before, this world's dear Savior had been taken down from a cross. The guards at a distance were keeping a vigil, not caring that he died, I suppose. But the cold, cold silence was broken this morning. The stone rolled and the sun rose. Oh, the sun rose, what a beautiful scene. Heaven was smiling, angels were singing praise to the King. Oh, the sun rose, grave clothes were put away. It will never be the same, for he rose again and he's living today. Yes, the sun rose, oh, the sun rose.